Hi sir, ma'am. Good morning. Good day to all of you. I would like to introduce myself to you. I am Evan Rosete Amlog, 51 years old man, married to Irene De Los Santos Amlog, gifted with 4 children, 2 boys and 2 girls. And I'm living here in Sinan proper town of Subic, Zambales. So I want to share to you my very long experience in shipyard industry and shipbuilding industry. So in my very long years experience, so I started year 1991 as Peter Fabricator here in Philippines, locally in Keppel Subic Shipyard. Then after that, 1997, I was decided to apply and to work abroad. So I was luckily hired by the company going to Dubai Dry Docks since 1997 up to year 2000. So after that, I decided again to transfer in Abu Dhabi Shipbuilding in country of UAE again for one contract for the period of 2 years. Then again I transfer in Asri Bahrain, in Arab country also, in short term only. Then I was transfer manning company, the POMI B-Ships. They hired me as Peter Welder on board ship on running vessel international within 3 consecutive ships. Then after that, the company POMI transfer me working in Lagos, Nigeria, in FPSO, floating production storage and offloading in Lagos, Nigeria for a year. Then after that, they transfer again. I transfer me again to UK in North Sea in Bussard hookup commissioning under AMEC. Then after that, year 2010, I was decided to go back here in the Philippines, working as Peter Fabricator also locally until now. So in my very long years experience in shipyard industry, so I know how to do my work, to do my job correctly with the quality and the standard which the company and the client needs. So I encounter how to fit, how to work, and sometimes how to weld some frames, girders, bulkheads, stiffeners, brackets, bottom plates, decks, and bulbous bow going to chain locker. So build skill under the bottom. So now again I decide again to apply in your good company as Peter Fabricator in UK. So I hope that you can give me a chance to work abroad again for my children's future. I'm not carrying my own chair, sir, ma'am. I am a very hard-working man, a good man, very experienced and talented man in terms of my profession. So I know also how to interpret ship structure drawing, even though sometimes there is modification and rectification in the drawing. So that is normal, but that is very important for the stability of the ships. And the very most important is the safety procedure upon working and workplace. So this is very important, the safety of the personnel who work on board or on the site. So everyone needs and need to comply the safety standard of the company to eliminate the risk and hazard that can cause loss of lives, damage of property, and the environmental damages. So I hope, ma'am, that you can give me a chance to work in your good company. And that's all, ma'am. And thank you very much, and God bless to all of you. Thank you.